In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero Analytics graphs to analyze your business performance. First, log into Xero using your secure account details. Once you're in, head to the main navigation and click Reporting. This takes you to the area where your business insights live. From here, select Dashboards to open a central space with quick access to key reports and visuals. Inside the Dashboards section, open Xero Analytics. This is where you'll find interactive tools designed to turn raw numbers into clear visuals. Next, click Graphs to switch from summary tiles or tables into full visual charts. Graphs make it easier to spot patterns, outliers, and changes over time at a glance. Take a moment to browse the available graph reports. You'll typically see options covering revenue, expenses, cash flow, and other operational metrics. Skimming through these helps you decide which view best answers the question you have in mind, whether that's tracking sales momentum, monitoring costs, or understanding seasonality. When you're ready, select a graph category that aligns with your goal. For example, choose sales if you're focusing on income trends, or expenses if you're watching cost behavior. Opening a category tailors the visuals to the area you care about most. Now, review the graph data and trends. Note what the axes represent, and hover over points or bars if tooltips are available to see exact values. Look for upward or downward movements, spikes, or plateaus. Identify whether the pattern matches expectations or if something stands out that needs attention. If the default dates don't provide enough context, change the reporting period. Use the date picker or period controls to shift between weeks, months, quarters, or years. Extending the time frame can reveal seasonality, while narrowing it can help diagnose a recent change. Next, apply graph filters to refine what you're seeing. Filters can focus the view by account, tracking category, region, or other dimensions available in your setup. Apply one filter at a time to understand its effect, and combine filters to zero in on a specific segment. Finally, analyze the graph performance results. Compare periods to see whether performance is improving or softening, and assess how changes align with campaigns, pricing updates, or operational shifts. Note any anomalies worth investigating and capture the takeaways that matter to your business. That's the complete walkthrough. Log in, go to Reporting, select Dashboards, open Xero Analytics, click Graphs, browse, choose a category, review trends, adjust the period, apply filters, and analyze the results. With these steps, you'll turn your data into clear, actionable insights.